Hello family, I am out here with my daughter. I'm not doing any walking. I'm in my scooter because my knees are bad. I'll be back. This area is like a swamp area. Oh, well, I have to do only the best I can do in sections. Okay, you guys, bye. Isn't this lovely, you guys? No, I'm not going for a swim. That's where all the little duckies swim. It's hot out here today in Southern California, but I'm trying to make the best of it. I gotta get out here. Let me hurry up and get my scooter turned around. Swampy looking area over this way. All right. Oh, geeses. Hello. You guys look really good. Want to say a few words? Not right now?
Leave me alone, that's what they say.
Okay, bye for now.
Got it out the house.
Can you guys see these freaking turtles? Look at them. A whole family of them. Alright, that's it. So amazing. Look at that view. Oh my God, I'm actually in this view right here. It's so earthy. I love it. Oh, it's people in my view. Guys, this view right here is so beautiful to me.